Somi is trading around $0 on CoinGecko, reflecting a sharp intraday surge of about 24%. The 24-hour range is wide, between 68 cents and $1.10, showing just how volatile things are right now. On other sources, its price is listed at $0.8866, and the 24H volume is huge, in the ballpark of $1.37 billion. On Binance, the Somi USDT pair sees major liquidity, with a market cap exceeding $165 million and daily volume crossing hundreds of millions. That kind of volume and volatility tells you this isn't a sleepy token. It's in full launch mode, chased by momentum and speculation. But with that comes risk, especially given how fresh the mainnet is and how many tokens remain locked or in vesting schedules. One of the stronger signs pushing Somi upward is that it recently broke out of a falling wedge pattern. Analysts pointed out that Somi rallied about 16% in a single session, suggesting the downtrend may have reversed or at least paused for now. The market is also responding to its technical capabilities. Somnia claims over 1 million TPS, sub-second finality, EVM compatibility, and a burn mechanism that destroys 50% of transaction fees. These features help support the narrative that Somi isn't just a token but a high-performance infrastructure for Web3 applications. At the same time, caution is creeping in. Somi's rise has been steep, and it already hit a new all-time high of $1.84 shortly after launch. But that spike was followed by aggressive profit-taking. The latest today's price gains may be partly fueled by speculative capital-chasing momentum, not necessarily by long-term fundamentals. Also, open interest has dropped, indicating some traders may be pulling back or reducing leverage exposure. Another watchpoint: token unlocks. The Somnia tokenomics show that only about 16% of the total 1 billion Somi were in circulation at launch. A huge portion of tokens remain locked under vesting schedules. As those unlocks approach, especially for airdrop pools or team allocations, there's risk of selling pressure that could swamp the price if demand doesn't keep up. Some fresh updates are adding fuel to the conversation. The Somnia team recently launched a 1 million Somi liquidity rewards program, where users can earn Somnia liquidity points, SLPs, via DEXs, lending, or staking. And last week, BitGet resumed Somi withdrawal services after a temporary halt, easing one operational worry for traders. There's buzz around the Variance NFT drop, which was priced in Somi and sold out quickly, showing that community demand is real in the NFT, a collectible aspect of Somnia's ecosystem. Putting all of this together, I see a few possible paths ahead. If the momentum holds and demand remains strong, Somi could challenge resistance zones around $1.40 to $1.60, potentially even reapproaching its previous ATH. But if sellers jump in, or if token unlocks or vesting cliffs trigger supply pressure, Somi could slip below support near 60 to 70 cents. One wild but plausible scenario: a strong bounce into $2 plus territory, but that would require sustained capital inflows and major adoption news, not just hype.